U.S. troops involved and American soldiers start dying, or, as Katie talked about before, retaliation occurs, how long does he have that support of the American people and of Congress?
And how long does he have the support of our allies? Matt, remember after the Persian Gulf War, after we had Saddam removed from Kuwait, everyone said, never again, we will stand up, we will drive him out, he'll eventually have to leave. What's happened now? We're practically alone in trying to enforce sanctions against Saddam.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Woodsland Federal Military Services. An elevated level of hazardous radiation has been detected across the northern regions of the United States, as well as southern and central Canada. The source of the radiation is currently under investigation. Exposure to contaminated areas may result in serious injury or death. Residents within the affected regions are instructed to remain indoors immediately. Close and lock all doors and windows. Turn off all ventilation systems, including air conditioning units, fans, and any equipment drawing outside air into your building. Do not travel unless directed to do so by emergency authorities. If your current location is no longer considered safe, or if you are unable to shelter in place, proceed immediately to the nearest Woodsland Federal Military Services Emergency Shelter or WLFMS base. Personnel are standing by to provide decontamination procedures, medical assistance, and emergency protection. Of Ardell.